What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video. I haven't done a video for so long, a bit. It's like a 2 3 weeks about that time. Yeah, I've been pretty busy with some projects at home, with working with work, and also, the holidays, getting ready for the kids. But that's done. So now this new year 2024, we're ready just to keep on going and be on task and keep on working the goals that we have for this year. So yeah, so today we're going to be doing a video in C Sharp, and we're going to be working with the strings. But before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, we're growing slowly but steady. Let me go back over here. Working with the strings. Okay, so we're going to start right here. So this is what I'm going to do. String. Let's put a date. Let's put a date over here. Let's do a date bar time string equals to. We're going to do daytime right here. Daytime now. All right. So right here we're going to say HH uh, column MM column and SS. Okay, and this should give us a military time console. Okay, let's see, let's print it out, or let's run the program, or let's execute the program. It should give us something really cool for the time. Right now my computer is showing 117 with 52 seconds. I mean, it doesn't show me the seconds right here, but yeah, that's the time. So do we want to do military time? Let's just change it to a standard time. Let's just do our let's put military time. How to military time? That will be this. Let's copy this and paste it right here. And now a standard time. Should we change it to a standard time? Okay, I got, so this should be for a standard time. Let me add it right here. Let's copy, boom, standard time, and let's copy right here. Let's change that, and maybe let's put some text right here. Let's just say this is the time. Man, my fingers are all over the place. We're concatenating right here, guys. Concatenation. Okay, let's execute the program, and now it should give us something else. This is the time 119. Yeah, that's 119 p.m. Yeah, that's what we have. Cool. So that's working. All right, guys. So that works pretty good. So now let's work with the string. Let's just do a string. Let's just do first name. First, it has to put first name. Oh yeah, I don't need that first name. So right here we're going to say, let's just do my name, Pastor, right? Let's close that with the semicolon, and now let's just do last name, and let's do right here. My last name is Smith. Smith. That's not my last name. Now, and also we can just do a variable name without being declared as. But how we can use this, now we can just do s equals, and we can just say first name, right? Yep. And now also we can say yeah, let's just run this console. So we want first name, right? Let's print it out. Let's execute the program. It should give you just my first name, Pastor. Cool, that works. So now what I want to have, this is just a full name. So let's just do a string. let's just do full name. Full name. Okay, and then we can just say first. Man, I cannot even read. Okay, so right here we can concatenate right here, and also we can just do a space, pan, and that's what we got, right? So let's just say full name. Okay, right here it should give us first name Pastor, and then the second one is going to be the full name. Yeah, cool. So we have the time, we got a first name, and we got a full name, right? Also, how we can use this, we can use a method instead of using concatenation. We're going to use concatenation too, but instead of using the plus plus, we can just do the following right here. Let's see, a string. Let's just do full name concat, and we can say the following: string that concat, which is right here, and then we can say first name. You can say here first name and last name. First name and last name. So right here is going to come all together. Let's just control D, and let's just copy that variable name. So it should give us just squeezed out Pastor Canayo. Let's do that. Yeah, right here. Squeezed out Pastor Canayo. Cool. So also what we can do is we can just do lowercase, and we can add underscore or a line or whatever you call it. So let's just do another one. Let's just do a string, and we can say full name, full name lowercase, and we can say the following: first name that to lower. What the heck? Oh wait, come on. To lower, and then we can just do plus empty quotation marks, and then we do that, and then another plus sign, and then we just do last name that to lowercase. Okay, now let's print that out. Full name lower. So it should give us that. Let's see. Let's run the program. Nice, Pastor Smith. Cool beans. That's kind of cool. Now, also we can get, should we get a length? Man, we're just doing everything. How many words are it? How many letters? How many indexes are in there? Like we can just do int. Let's just do length. Full name. Length. Is that how you spell length? Full name length. So which we are going to say uh yeah, full name. So we're going to do the full name, that length. Let's control D again, full name, we'll just do length. Twelve. Okay, cool beans. 12 indexes. Okay, now so let's do this. If full name, a full name that contains, let's just contains, let's just use this method right here. Full name contains, let's see, pass lowercase, which is the first name, or full name that contains, let's just do uppercase, which is going to be PST, okay? Cool beans. Now, if that's true, we're going to say console. And we're going to say it is Pastor. Semicolon, closing. Now, else we're going to say it is no pastor. No. Yeah, just like that. Cool. Right? All right, let's see it. If so, we're going based on full name. So this full name, which is right here, full name, and then there is a PS, is pastor right here, right? If that's true, if that contains PAST, which is here, it will print it is pastor. It is not, if that's not there, or if we have a lowercase PAST, because that's what it's saying. If it contains a P lower and capital, it's going to be pastor. If not, it's going to be something else. So let's see it. Let's for a sec. Okay. Oh wow. I didn't print it. What? It is no pastor. Okay. Full name. Wait a minute. So what happened? So it wasn't pastor. Let's see. Full name contains past, or full name that contains past. Console right is going to be pastor. Okay. So did I miss it out? Did I miss it? Let's see. Oh, right here. It is pastor. Right? So now, what about, let's change that to a lowercase. It should say it is pastor. So that worked, right? So that worked. So now, so what about if I just do right here, just like that? And it's going to say, yeah, it is no pastor. Yeah, that's not me for sure. All right, guys, that worked. So thank you very much for checking the video, and I will see you in the next video. Right? Have a good day. Bye.